take out the helicopter over there, trying to land at the hospital. There's been a big crash on the A55 down here in North Wales. It's trying to land but can't for some reason. I think there's another aircraft in the way, so they're just circling. There it comes around again. So I assume it's going to go round again. I can't see because it's the sun's in the way. There it is. Going over the trees. So it looks like the other one hasn't taken off yet. So it's going to go back around. Yeah, for your information, this isn't the one that Prince William was training on and working on. That was the Sea King helicopter, which that one is a Sea King, but it was the yellow one. I'm trying to get this now as it comes over the top of the houses here. Lost sight for a split second. It's difficult to see because of the sun's in my way. Well, not in my way, but you know what I mean. We could get to the hospital in time to see it land, but you know I can't run. Just pull out a bit. Sorry. So yeah, there's been a big crash on the A55 by the tunnels as you come through Pemamau, Llanfairpwllgwyngyllgogerychwyrndrobwllllantysiliogogogoch. There it is there again. There we go. The other one hasn't taken off yet. Well, I'd heard on Facebook that it was a car that drove down the wrong way through the tunnel and had a head-on smash. But I've heard someone that was stuck in it, apparently it's because, there's been a crash, but that's the same thing, isn't it? So I just thought, yeah, behind the houses again. So here we go again, round again. I can't see a goddamn thing when that comes over the top of the houses because the sun's right in my eyes. There's the sun, people. Right, see if I can cop this now without getting blinded by the sun. There we go. Wasn't so good that time, I got blinded. There we go. There we go. Sorry about that. Message just come through and I haven't turned my sound off, so sorry about that. But yeah, Prince William, I don't think, well, he might have towards the end of his work here in RAF Valley, flew this one. Yeah, it's landing there now. There you go. I don't know what's happened to the other aircraft then. Maybe it went the other way. So I could get there, I suppose, for it to take off. No, I can't. I haven't got the energy. I just haven't got the energy, people, to go up there quick. So I'll leave you that anyway. And sorry I haven't uploaded any stuff over the last couple of weeks. But I will speak to you soon. Take care. Oh, and don't forget, comment, like, and subscribe.